Okay, everybody, this is the second sewer just near Kvasir's place. There's his little hideout down there, and I'm just about to do this because it shows you where to pick up the shotgun early in the game. I haven't been to see Kvasir yet, but I will do shortly. Now, something that I always do is park near the exit of all these sewers, and it just makes it a lot easier when you're coming out. Don't forget to take that guy out first. There will also be a bandit car that shows up early, so you can take that out too. So I just want to go in here. It's a pretty short little jobby, really, and not too difficult. So let's go and do this. So we just get through these little buggers. I do them in near the doorways. It's just a bit easier. And using the fist pretty well all the time. Just check to make sure there's nothing to pick up. Bit of money there. Okie dokie. Couple more. That should be all of those. Here's another one. Couple more. Now there's no big nasty characters in here, but the secret, or the good bit, is the reward near the end. Collect that. And then as you're about to leave, up here is the rocket launcher. And if you get it early now, it's great for doing in all sorts of places, and especially because I will have to go into the dead city shortly. Now save that, because we need that also to use on that guy up in the tower when we come out again. Okay. There you go, and that's how easy it is, and that's how easy it is to collect that rocket launcher. Have fun.